Hi there, my name is Steve and I'm the lean trainer at SnapCab in Canada, and I'm here with Glenn Bostock, the founder and CEO of SnapCab. We're sharing stories from a recent trip that we took to Japan with Paul Akers. It's a learning mission about lean. Glenn, apparently not all our learning came from Paul.
No, it did not. It came from some of our travel companions. This tour we were on, there was 5 of us from SnapCab, but there was a total of about 20 of us on the trip from all over the world. Including Korea. So Haifeng was there from Korea, and she was teaching us what they were doing to implement, and get lean going at their company.
We're on the bullet train right now, which means we're learning stuff really fast. I'm looking at these pictures that they do at this company, and they throw a before and after photo of a 5S improvement, and it gets put up onto like a bulletin board with some information, I guess, about what the improvement was, the photos, and then at the very bottom of that, they have an area where everybody can get a sticker and vote on their favorite improvement. Yes. And these are some of the photos that you're seeing here. Now, the great part about this that I just found out is that they reward the people that are voting for participating and doing a survey, and if they get the correct answers on the survey, I'm guessing.
Yes. Like, what is 8 waste? What is 5S? Simple questions.
Simple questions.
Yeah.
They will give prizes to the winners of that as well. So there's multiple. It's like a cake of prizes, rewarding for doing lean manufacturing.
I'm Haifeng. I came from the Korea and Dongwu and Tech, and I'm an operation excellence leader there, and we teach the Lean Six Sigma, and we started this for 1 year, and we would like to everyone participate this program. So we have invented this kind of activities like the seminar, so that everyone can join and then attend this kind of activities. We make some parts for the semiconductor, but I have saw your videos in the YouTube. That's very amazing. Yeah, I got some pictures from you, so I would like to put it on my training material, and also showing some videos for your company.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, that's terrific. There you go. They've been learning from us from YouTube.
And it's interesting because we've begun a relationship with Haifeng that we're going to begin to share more information now going forward.
Right.
So it's not just Paul Akers we learned from, but we had the opportunity to connect with people around the world and share ideas with them. So.